to my channel. Today we will discuss these following terms. If you are a tester or developer, you should know about these terms. In many videos you will see defects or bugs are same, but actual they are different. Mm, First, we will discuss what is defect. The variation between the actual result and expected result is known as defect. When you will see that the difference between the actual and expected result, that is defect. If a developer find an issue and correct it by himself in the development phases, then it is called a defect. For example, in real world entity, you thought that you will buy a mango in a particular shop, but there you will find the mango was not available. Then you thought that what we will do, then you will go to the next shop and you will buy same mangoes. Then that is called a defect. Like, the defect was there, you not you're not finding that mango in a particular shop, but you fix it by yourself. Then you will go to a next shop and buy it. That is called a defect. Okay, then what is a bug? If a tester finds a mistake in application system in testing phase, then it is called as bug. In a testing phase, we find any defect or error, that is called a bug. When you, like, suppose you buy mango from other shop, but you go to the home, but your mother said, I'm asking for you apple, but you have brought mango. In a testing phase, mother's testing, that is called a bug. What is an error? We cannot compile or run a program due to a coding mistake in a program. If a developer unable to successfully compile or run a program, then they called it as an error. In a college time, in a Eclipse or any other software, you written over there a small hello program, but it is not compiling due to a coding mistake. That is called an error. What is a failure? Once a product is deployed and a customer find an issue, then they call the product as a failure product. Like, deploy means when you deliver your product to the client, that is deployed. Okay, after release, if an end user find an issue, then the particular issue is called a failure. End user, suppose a customer abcd requirement was there, you fulfilled that all the requirement and deploy to the customer, but in a particular company there will be a some person over there to maintain that product. Okay, now, like in a backend. Okay, then that is called a end user. If you like, you have delivered that product and the end user finds a mistake, that is called a failure. I hope you understand. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any query, then comment it below. Bye bye.